Global share markets were lower once again overnight after another risk-averse day of trading. Earlier on this week, we did see the credit ratings downgraded for both Portugal and Greece. Overnight, this came for Spain. It has been indicated that Spain will likely see a prolonged period of recession. The big question now is what other countries are feeling the effects of the global economic recession and what impact this will have on its recovery and also global trade. The UK Chancellor has also announced their budget and has indicated that the UK will contract by 4.75% this year, but will see some marginal growth next year. The biggest news was a 50% tax levy that has been proposed for bank bonuses. On the currency front, the New Zealand dollar is trading at around 70.90 against the US dollar on Thursday morning. There may be some movement for both the currency and interest rates this morning after the Reserve Bank official cash rate announcement. There is not expected to be any change from the current stance of 2.5%. However, what we do expect to see is the Reserve Bank reiterate its stance that they will keep rates low until the back end of 2010. They will also highlight some of the risks to New Zealand's economic recovery. While we accept that there are some risks to the New Zealand economic recovery, we also see that there are some potential problems, especially coming through from our housing market. House prices have increased significantly recently, and there is potential for another debt-fueled housing boom. The Reserve Bank have said that they do not want to see this happen, and they want to see a rebalancing of the New Zealand economy. For this reason, we see that the Reserve Bank will have to change their stance and change it quickly. This is likely to happen in April of 2010. Both hog and beef futures have been on the decline on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. The only exception has been the near-term hog contract, which has been increasing over the past day due to some fears of a snowstorm ripping through the Midwest in the US. This has come about because of fears that supply may be down because of the snowstorm. In general, prices have been tracking back over the past week, and it is now feared that grocers have stocked up on their meat for the Christmas period. Retail prices have also been declining just slightly over the past week, which indicates that demand has been weak in the US. These indications do have a direct reflect on New Zealand beef schedule prices. The news on this type of product does give an indication that there may be some further weakness in New Zealand beef schedule prices for this season.